para team. So we salute these teams. This is followed by the students from Sri Chamantraj Tedraj Surana, Jain Vidyalaya and Junior College. Yes. Request all the ladies team of Akhil Bharatiya Marwadi Sammelan to please capture these moments in your eyes. Thank you, Sharda ji Agarwal, Shalini ji Agarwal and team. Well, it is followed by Lalchand Milakcham Dada Senior Secondary School, LM Dada School, Senior Secondary School, which is led by Master Arjun. Well, it is followed by A.G. Jain High Secondary School, Amlokchand Galada Jain High Secondary School, led by Master A. Monish. So we have an excellent march past by all the schools and the para-athletes and the Mukhya beneficiaries. A professional A.M. Jain school taking the guard. All the torch bearers are handing it over to Sri Mohanji Goenka. And with this we imbibe the torch and जी हाँ इसी टॉर्च लाइट के साथ आज ये लोग सब अपना स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट खेलेंगे. We'll make sure that we all play in the sportsman spirit and this torch is lit. With this we are going.
I am Tainmuri, Regional Deputy Director, WCCB. I am the chief guest for today's function, so I thank Madam and MS Dada Foundation for making me the chief guest so that I get an opportunity to see the competition where inclusion is a primary principle, because we see many people doing sports activity who are very normal beings, but people with physical challenges taking it seriously as a competitive sport is a great thing. It is a great inspiration for all, and I feel proud of being a part of this event. Thank you.
Welcome all of you to be here to cover our sports, which is a needed thing, and awareness to the society as well as confidence to the physically challenged people. So my thanks to you. We have completed 40 years of this service and nearly 5 lakh people have been given, and it is not only in Madras, it is in India as well as around the world. We have gone in these 40 years, opened many workshops and the most beautiful part of this thing, what we are doing is 14 people have come into Para-Olympic and International Olympic. One of our person whom we gave artificial limb at the age of 2, we made him study the Shishya school, and now he is world's 5th Para-Olympic champion. So these things are very satisfying, and this happiness, you are not helping one person, but you are helping whole family. Even the country counts in this, because they do the job and take care of their children. They are not a burden to the society. That is why I chose to serve this cause. So we all are here to give confidence, self-respect to the people who have been neglected for long. So it is time we should give. Any question?
You can ask question if you want.
Job fair also, in that nearly 300 participants came. In that 150 people were given job, which was very rare, and I am thankful to all the companies who came and gave the job to them.